Good morning, folks. Had a great night's sleep in absolute silence out here. Today is the day, hopefully, all of the pieces in the puzzle come together and we can get settled in. You're not really supposed to be travelling right now, but Marie doesn't have anywhere to go, and if this is going to be a long-term thing, you know, we need to stick together, really. The van thing can work at this time very well, but not travelling around. You can't be doing that. Like, you know, carry on as normal. You can't just keep driving around because it's too risky. Not for yourselves necessarily, but for everyone else. Get set up and ride it out, pretty much. I think we should have everything we need here. There is a massive lock. Well, I say massive. Down there, fairly big. It is still, which isn't great. But I have the water filter and we'll boil it to drink. So, you know, it is what it is. Take what you can get. The last thing I want to be doing is scouring around looking for water. There may be a stream back there. I'm not sure. I think I heard one yesterday, so go check that out as well. But I think we should have everything we need here to stay good for a while. Don't have fishing, but, you know, what can you do? You can't have everything, can you? We didn't want to go on a park for night and risk, you know, people who aren't being conscious turning up and, like, yeah, it's not worth it. We're in a pretty damn good spot, though. I'm not going to lie. This is very nice here. And like I said yesterday, hopefully, as long as we play our cards right and isolate ourselves for a bit, then we should be fine. You know, once that couple of week period's over, we should just be able to chill out, really, and try and figure out how we're going to make this work. I'm excited. I'm genuinely excited. I've been waiting for this my whole life. Not the illness, obviously. That's a bit morbid. Properly being out in the wild and living off your own back, I think it's brilliant. So I'll probably be learning a lot in the next few weeks, I imagine. Oh yes, I am indeed on the deck having a cough. I'm not going to pretend it's not chilly, because it is. That's not too bad. The sun's nice. Checking out the surroundings. I'll go explore a little bit more once Marie gets up here. I'll feel a bit more comfortable. I feel okay, but I'll feel more comfortable when there's more people around. Because, you know, I am properly on my bill here. Yeah, hopefully don't get any grief here. I'm sure we won't. Not blocking anything, not doing anything we shouldn't be doing. Didn't say private property. So I think we'll just take each day as it comes, really. Obviously there's only so remote you can get in a country with a population of, you know, 70 million or whatever it is, 65 million. So done the best I can. To be honest, I think the lake will be okay anyway. Obviously not to drink from straight, that'd be idiotic. What I'll do, even the tank water, I'll filter it with that soya thing, and then anything that comes out of it will be boiled if it's going to be consumed. Just a quick one, if anybody does know where we are, or, you know, recognises the place or anything like that, in the nicest way possible, please don't come. I love meeting people and seeing vans and all of this, you know, meeting the people that watch the videos, whatever. I really do enjoy it, but at this time, you know, trying to do the right thing and stay away from people. So if you could do that for me, that'd be awesome, because otherwise there's just absolutely no point in me doing this. So bear that in mind if you suddenly think you recognise it, or I'm down the road from you or something like that. Just, you know, leave us be for now, just until we know what's happening, you know. I mean, once this is over, we can all have a massive bloody party. Like, I'll tell you what, I'll make a pact with you. Once this is done, I'll organise something, and all flipping, whatever there is, 11,000 of you now are invited. We'll just have a giant piss up. How's that sound? I'm just going for a little wander, see if I can scout out any water, see what's about, if there's any streams. I think there should be. Something's got to feed that block. I hope we can stay here because it is a beautiful place, it really is. And as long as it's got the resources we need and we don't get any aggro, then there's no reason why we can't, really. Yeah, so what I spoke about earlier, about, you know, if you know where we are, please don't come. The reason I say that is because obviously I want to keep these videos going, but it's going to be really hard, if not impossible, to make them without, you know, showing my surroundings and that kind of thing. So I'm going to have to keep switching hands because the camera's heavy. But, you know, if it's going to cause a problem and become an issue, then I'm going to have to turn the camera off. And I really don't want to do that because I want to keep documenting this. I don't think any of us want that, do we? I love doing it. I love interacting with all of you. Yeah, let's do everything we can to keep that going. I hear water. Hello. Oh, there. It's only small. But it is indeed a water source. Okay, so that's one. I'm going to keep walking because I drove all the way down here last night. Found another one just down here. Little stream. So after looking on the map, it looks like all the sources for these little rivers start in this area. So you don't get much fresher than that, do you really? Look at this, folks. This is proper out there. And back home. How good does my van look in this environment? This is what I built it for. Off-grid. Look at this campsite bollocks. And now for the bad point that I've got to show you. Seems to be the theme of this bloody trick. Yeah, even way out here, some absolute knobhead, obviously a painter, decorator, has decided to drop his load. Dick. There was actually another one of them. I'm going to tidy all this up obviously, but just not got around to it yet. That might come in useful. The parts of that. There was another one of these telescopic handles, a thicker one, bigger. So I've nicked that, put it in the back of the van. And I'll use that as my new antenna for the 4G if I need to. I just like, it just blows your mind, doesn't it? What? It's obviously a local as well because it's painting and decorating stuff, so it's obviously somebody that works in the area. It's just like, just scumbags, isn't it? I'm not even from here and it offends me. I know you can't see me, I do apologise, but I just got a alert on my phone that I might be able to see the northern lights from my current location. So I just popped my head out to have a look. It does look a bit green, to be fair. It is incredibly starry again though. It really is. I love it. There's just no light pollution whatsoever. Just complete 360 stars. I wish I could actually show you as I can see right now, but I can't. But I am staying awake this evening because the team will be arriving shortly in the next few hours. They're doing it in a wanna. Well folks, I just snapped a little pic on this camera and you can indeed see the northern lights. Not very well, but you see the green in the photo. You can actually see them. That is just, oh my god, my life is just ridiculous. I love it. So I just heard from the guys. They are a couple of hours away still. It's 12:30, so I'm going to try and stay up. However, little project to try. Seeing as the whole world has decided that toilet paper is the solution to this problem, that's kind of left everyone else a bit short. So just trying to, you know, delay until I need to wipe my arse with leaves. This knife's pretty good, so it should go straight through. There we go. And now we have 2 rolls. About the same size as a normal toilet roll. I mean, it's going to be a little bit rougher on the old arse, but you know, better than nothing, isn't it? Hey. Hey, hey! Alright? Oh, fucking hell. Bet you're f***ed it, yeah? Just a bit. Yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, basket. Hello, mate. Oh. Right, folks, so reunited with the team. We just had a celebratory whiskey, and now we're all going to hit the sack because it is 4:30 in the morning. Bit of unboxing to do tomorrow. Not going to do it tonight, but I've been kind of busy. As you can see, that's all stuff. We'll have a look through that lot together tomorrow. Right, I think I'm going to most definitely end this video here, so I shall see you all tomorrow, folks. Catch you in a bit.